Hi, hello, and welcome to your third tutorial video for C++ programming language. And the last time we had this program, we discussed everything about it. And from this time, we'll actually be using code blocks. There you go. So grab both your handle, and I told you that you can replace it with anything. I do it with this handle, so I don't need this pen. And you saw the difference. The code is exactly the same which we learned about, okay? So what we are going to cover now is actually called data types. A pretty important topic. I suggest you pay attention because many people are confused about data types a long time after they have done a lot of programming. I know if those who have done programming think that they are not confused, but you'll come to know in case you watch the video. So now data types are basically the type. You know what a variable is? Let us assume I have a user in. I am asking a user his age, and then I want to. Let's say I'm developing an application which actually communicates with the server in the background and does all the complicated stuff, and it actually applies for your driving license. So in there, when I'm applying for driving license, I'll actually have a component like this. It would be saying age colon space, and then there'll be a rectangle in front of it, a thinner one, sort of like this scene, and then there'll be a text seek inside it. It'll actually be asking you to input your age, and then right there you'll have a button like this. Probably if a good designer has designed it, the button can be stylish, or you can have a plain old button. It says apply or something, and you have your cursor here and you type in 17. But hey, at 17 years of age you cannot get a driving license, your application is rejected. How does the computer know? It picks up your age and it checks if it is less than 18 and it does not let you apply. Probably this apply button will go gray or something. But basically I have to pick up this age for that. So how do I pick up the age? I know there can be some process, some method, some function, some command to take input from the user. That input will give me the age of the user. I'll ask the user his age, he will input it, that input will help me get the user's age, and then I will process it somehow. Of course, computers are powerful. But hey, let us say the user pressed 17, pressed enter. So the user gave his age 17. I can process it. But what do you have to process? 17? Where is the 17? It went to the air and it is stored somewhere. It is stored somewhere. You need a placeholder or a variable for that. Now, data type to begin with is the different types of variables you can have. You can have integers, you can have floating point, or you can have double precision floating point. These are numericals, or you can have character, or you can have strings, or you can have Boolean values. These are numericals. These are characters. And Boolean basically means true or false. We'll even see the use of Boolean. It's actually very useful for the computer program, because computers run on the principle of true and false, and will also start running on the principle of true and false. So integers are like 7, 8, minus 5, minus 27, minus 81, 535 or something. Floating point means I'm allowing a decimal, say 8.025. If I put this into an integer, it will read 8. But let's say I want to input 8.02546 something, 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 something. Floating point is unable to store it. Of course, you won't be able to process it. So we need somehow we increase the precision of the value. That's where double precision floating point comes into use. So this is called int. This is called float. This is called double. These are keywords in C++. Character is like a single character A or probably B or something. It's called char. Or string, if you know string, it's a set of characters like hello there or something. It's called string. And Boolean values, I told you true or false, it's bool. These are the keywords in C++. And string is actually a complicated one comparatively, so we'll be dealing with strings later. For now, info double char. These are 4 bits. Age will pretty much be an integer, so we have to save it into an integer. How do we do that? We need an integer age, right? So you have an integer type variable named age. This is how you declare it. And now I'll just print out on the screen. Enter your age, man. And probably I'll be building a different software for the woman because I don't want sexist remarks, obviously. And this is the way you take input of a variable. Cn the variable name. You know, I told you this was the left shift operator, this is the right shift operator. It picks this thing up and throws it in here. Cn means taken from the user, and it will throw that input value in the age. Okay, so I'll just print out on the screen. Hey man, your age read is age. I'll just run it and see, enter your age, man. Yeah, I'm a man. And I'm 17, but I'm a man. Come on. Hey man, your age read is 17. Nice. 65536. Old enough and nice. 258963 something something something. Whoa! What just happened? Okay, yeah, I know I am a big number for age, but let's say we are taking a number for some other purpose. I just took in the value of age and I printed it out, and my input and output actually don't match. Something is wrong. But what is wrong? That's where this concept data types comes into play, and this actually starts with something which even the best programmers forget sometimes. What is that? Data types, memory constraints. Now, by the way, it picks up age, it throws it in here. Hey man, your age is, let's just say the user input 450, so it will pick up 450, and then it will throw this in here, which means print it out of the screen. Okay, that's done. So the problem and how to solve it and all we will actually discuss in the next video, because once again my time is getting over. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.